Your car could literally become an oven while you're grabbing groceries. No joke. On a 90-degree day, your car's interior can shoot past 130 degrees in about an hour. That means your steering wheel turns into a frying pan, your leather seats feel like punishment, and your dashboard slowly starts cracking from constant heat exposure. And most people just accept it. They open the door, get hit with a wave of hot air, and act like that's normal. It doesn't have to be. A good windshield sunshade can dramatically reduce interior heat, protect your dashboard, preserve your seats, and save you from that awful first 5 minutes of blasting AC while sweating through your shirt. But here's the problem. Amazon is flooded with cheap sunshades that fold awkwardly, leave giant gaps, break after a few weeks, or are so annoying to store that people stop using them entirely. That's why today, we're testing the most popular windshield sunshades across all 3 major categories: classic folding panels, twist-to-fold reflectors, and umbrella-style shades, to figure out which ones are actually worth buying. And trust me, the #1 pick fixes one of the most annoying problems almost every umbrella sunshade has. Links are in the description if you want pricing and availability. Let's jump in. Before we rank these, here's what actually matters: heat reduction, UV protection, setup speed, storage convenience, and whether you'll realistically use it every day. Because the best sunshade in the world is useless if it's so frustrating that you leave it in your trunk. Starting at number 6. At number 6, we have the classic windshield sunshade folding panel. This is the old-school design most people recognize immediately. You unfold it, press it against your windshield, drop the visors, done. Simple. And honestly, this style still works. It reflects sunlight well enough to reduce cabin temperatures by 20 to 40 degrees depending on your vehicle and sunlight intensity. That's a huge difference when your car sits outside all day. It also helps protect dashboards from fading and cracking over time. And for budget buyers, it's usually one of the cheapest options. But here's where things get annoying: storage. These accordion-style shades can feel awkward. They're bulky, they take up back seat space, and folding them repeatedly can feel like wrestling cardboard in a parking lot. That frustration is exactly why newer designs became so popular. At number 5, we have the 2025 Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. And this is where convenience starts getting really interesting. Instead of unfolding giant panels, you simply open this like a normal umbrella. That's it. It takes seconds. And once you're done, collapse it and throw it into a storage pouch roughly the size of a water bottle. That's a massive upgrade over traditional folding shades. Its titanium silver coating does a great job reflecting heat and blocking UV rays. And if you drive a smaller car with limited storage, this design feels incredibly practical. But there's a catch. Like many umbrella shades, fit can be inconsistent depending on your windshield shape. Some users may notice small light gaps around mirrors or corners. Not a deal breaker, but worth knowing. At number 4, we have the 240T Thickened Automotive Glass Sunshade. This one upgrades the traditional reflector design in a smart way. The thicker 240T reflective material does a noticeably better job blocking heat compared to cheaper, thin foil options. And the twist-to-fold design is far easier to store than bulky accordion panels. It folds into a compact disc shape that slides easily into your trunk or seat pocket. Coverage is also stronger than many umbrella designs because it fills windshield corners better. That means fewer sunlight gaps. But here's where some buyers get frustrated: the twist-fold learning curve. The first few attempts can feel weird if you've never used this style before. Once you learn it, it becomes easy. But expect a brief learning period. At number 3, we have the Lamicall 4-layer windshield sunshade. This one feels premium. and you notice it immediately. The 4-layer construction reflects heat extremely well. It blocks up to 99.9% of UV rays. And that extra protection matters if your car spends hours parked outdoors every day. The memory wire frame helps it fit more securely against your windshield. And setup is fast. Storage is also compact thanks to the twist fold system. This is one of the best choices for commuters who use a sunshade daily, but here's why it didn't win. It's highly effective, but the top 2 options are simply faster for everyday use. And speed matters when you're constantly getting in and out of your car. At number 2, we have the THRIVESMEN Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. This one fully commits to convenience. Open it, lock it in place, leave your car. That's why so many daily commuters love umbrella-style shades. The reflective coating performs extremely well, storage is effortless, and the stronger frame feels more durable than cheaper umbrella models. But there's one recurring issue: fixed handles. Modern cars have large infotainment screens, dash cams, and unusual dashboard layouts. That fixed handle can sometimes create awkward placement problems. And that issue leads directly to our number 1 pick. At number 1, we have the Windshield Sunshade Umbrella with the 360-degree bendable handle. And this is the one that simply makes the most sense for most drivers. It keeps everything people love about umbrella shades: fast setup, compact storage, strong heat protection, excellent UV blocking. But it fixes their biggest flaw, that flexible handle. This sounds small, until your fixed handle shade starts pressing awkwardly into your screen, gear shifter area, or dashboard setup. The bendable handle lets you adjust positioning based on your vehicle layout. That flexibility makes installation smoother and fitment better across different vehicles. And that's why it wins. It solves a real-world frustration instead of just adding marketing fluff. And performance is excellent. Your steering wheel stays cooler, seats stay more manageable, dashboard materials last longer, and your AC doesn't need to fight an oven every time you enter your car. Here's what most people get wrong. They focus entirely on heat-blocking percentages, but convenience matters just as much. If your shade is annoying, bulky, or difficult to store, you'll stop using it. And then even the best shade becomes useless. So here are the final winners. Best budget option, classic folding panel. Best twist fold option, Lamicall 4-layer shade. Best quick deploy option, THRIVESMEN umbrella. Best overall, bendable handle umbrella sunshade. Check the links in the description because prices change all the time, and some of these get discounted heavily during summer. And if this video helped save your dashboard from becoming toast, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool out there.